Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss how to change the ringtone and notification sounds on Android phones, especially Samsung. Here's the tutorial. It's actually very simple to change the ringtone and notification sound on a Samsung Android phone. Start by opening the phone settings. Then open the sounds and vibration menu. Tap the ringtone option. Then all you have to do is choose and replace it with one of the ringtones provided by Samsung. You can also adjust the volume here if you want. Apart from that, tap this plus icon to use a song or sound stored in your gallery as a ringtone. Next, to change the notification sound, tap the notification sound option and replace it with one of the sounds you want here. However, you cannot use music or sounds from your gallery as notification your sounds. At this point, you have successfully changed the ringtone and notification sound on your Samsung Android phone. Okay guys, that is the tutorial in this video. Hopefully it's useful. And thank you for watching.